As the 21st century began, human evolution was at a turning point.
Here's another stupid video. Thanks for watching. Them guns. Woo, baby. Alright, this is Rich here. I'm going to do a little unboxing of this SwampFox Liberator. It's a 1x22 millimeter mini dot sight. And this has got the green dot, circle dot, which I seem to like a lot. There's an image of that on the side of the box. So 2 MOA center dot, 65 MOA circle, 22 millimeter diameter, coating silver, just other stuff. Obviously you can read that. Some of the features here. It's parallax free at 100 yards, 10 digital up and down illumination settings. Water resistant, says waterproof. I think IPX7 is like resistant. Insight co-witness compatible. Auto off after 4 hours without movement. And swap the battery while mounted. Coated lens. Blah 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 blah, all that stuff. So in the box, the high profile absolute co-witness Picatinny mount, and it's got a low profile mount, lens caps, battery, lens cloth, and wrench. So I'll go ahead and open this up and we'll get a look at it. So there we are with the lens cloth cover here, and some information and stuff about it. Little sticker. And then we've got your little tool to mount it on, the extra mount for the low profile right there. And then of course it came with the battery. Let me get this out of here. And there we have it. The SwampFox circle dot. I do kind of like this. I like the controls. They're simple as far as turn it on with that, off with that, and you go through your different settings. Kind of like the mount. This thing's really lightweight, which is good. I've got it on a little 22 dedicated AR-22 pistol. And I like it lightweight, and this seems to work very well. I'll show a little footage of it shooting, and there you go. That's kind of my first impressions of this SwampFox Liberator. So we'll go ahead and look at the reticle a little bit, and then some target shooting with it, and that's going to wrap it up.